Want to watch videos on your iPhone while using other apps? Picture-in-Picture PIP mode makes it possible. PIP lets you play videos in a small floating window while you do other tasks. If you're not sure how to turn it on, don't worry. This guide will show you exactly how. Let's begin. Step 1. Ensure your iPhone supports PIP. PIP is available on iPhones running iOS 14 or later. Go to Settings. Tap General. Tap Software Update to ensure you have the latest version installed. Step 2. Enable Picture-in-Picture mode. Open the Settings app. Tap General. Select Picture-in-Picture. Turn on the toggle for Start PIP automatically. These steps will help you easily turn on and use Picture-in-Picture mode on your iPhone. If the video was helpful, don't forget to like it. Thanks for watching.